lovely friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a magical journey of full cottage-style home transformation, filled with easy DIY projects, budget-friendly tips, and cozy decor ideas that will turn any space into a dreamy countryside retreat. Before we jump into the transformation, let's take a quick look at what we're working with. It's simple, it's functional, but missing that warm cottage charm. Our goal today? To create a space that feels like a peaceful weekend getaway right at home. Cottage style is all about natural textures, vintage touches, and cozy layers. Think soft linens, wooden accents, and warm lighting. You don't need a big budget, just a little creativity and love for simple beauty. DIY rustic shelf. I used some thrifted wood planks, lightly sanded them, and added a whitewash finish for that weathered look. Perfect for displaying plants, candles, or old books. Vintage mirror makeover. I found this mirror at a flea market, and with a touch of chalk paint and gold wax, it turned into a stunning cottage statement piece. Mason jar lighting. Add fairy lights to mason jars and hang them with twine instant cottage magic. Remember, the best part about cottage style is that imperfections make it beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this cottage-style home transformation. If you loved these DIY projects and cozy decor ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below your favorite part, and share it with a friend who loves home makeovers. Comment cozy home if you want a part 2 with more cottage-style DIYs and budget hacks. And don't forget to subscribe for more cottage, farmhouse, and vintage-inspired transformations every day.